How to set up Tailscale on TrueNAS Scale. Step 1. Go to your TrueNAS dashboard and open the Apps section and search for Tailscale. Click and install and then configure the basic settings. Step 2. Authenticate your Tailscale. Once the container is running, click the link provided in the logs or console to log in with your Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account and approve the connection. After that, step 3, connect your devices. Install your Tailscale on your other devices such as your PC, phone, or laptop and sign in with the same account. And then your TrueNAS server should now appear in your Tailscale network. Step 4, try accessing your TrueNAS Scale UI remotely using the Tailscale assigned IP. And then you should now have secure access from anywhere. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.